All right, today I am talking about 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication. This first video is going to be about the window method. So it is very similar to the 3 by 1. We're just adding on that thousands place. So if I'm doing 2,345 times 5, I make my box. This time I need 4 digits. I would encourage you to use as much space as you need for this. So if you are running out of room, no need to squeeze it in, just start a new piece. I realize that my box is getting a little close up there, so I will move it down a little bit so I have more space. All right, now I'm going to write my digits on top. Remember, they're in expanded form, so they're the values. 2,345 times 5. Here I have 2,000 times 5. Well, 2 times 5 is 10, and then I need 3 more zeros. So be careful on that one because I do need an extra 0 than you might think, because 2 times 5 is 10. Here I have 300 times 5. So 3 times 5 is 15 with 2 zeros. 40 times 5, 4 times 5 is 20 with a 0. Again, maybe an extra 0 than you might have thought, but 20 has a 0 in it. 5 times 5 is 25. So now I'm just going to add those up. 10,000, 1,500, 225. Make sure they're all lined up on the right side, and make sure you copy the numbers correctly. 0005, 0002, 5 plus 2 is 7, 0 plus 1 is 1, and then 1. So 11,725 for that problem. I will do one more example using the window method. Let's do 9,318 times 6. Nice big box, plenty of space for all my zeros. So remember, I'm writing it the values. The value of the 9 is 9,000. The value of the 3 is 300. The value of the 1 is 10. And the value of the 8 is 8 times 6. So 9 times 6 is 54. And then my 3 zeros. 300 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. My 2 zeros. 10 times 6 is 60. 8 times 6 is 48. So now add these up. I would definitely encourage you to write them down. Don't try and add them in your head, because it can be easy to look at the wrong place or something like that. Adding them up. 8. Oopsies, pushed a weird button. 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 plus 8 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 5. So 55,908. If you want to see one of the other methods, go ahead and watch one of my other videos, but this is the window method. Again, if you need more help with it, feel free to ask.